Good morning. Well, today this is about same zone, different results. I will say it again. Same zone, but different results. This video is for more of the newer gardeners versus the long-time gardeners. If you are a long-time gardener and you already know this concept, then maybe you can share this video with someone else that is trying to understand that maybe you really doesn't have a lot of time to explain it to them, but would like for them to know. So we're going to get started. So we're going to compare zone B, 8B, and 8B. And I use that as an example because that is my zone. So you're wondering, how am I in zone 8B and a friend of mine that stays in Florida is in 8B? Why are they growing their garden is growing really good and mine is not? I always jump to the concept of watering system. How much time are you putting into the garden? Fertilizing. Well, watering system is important. I can tell you that because I've experienced that. So, number one, if you do not have the best of watering system, that can hinder you because you have to get out there and water your garden. Now, you also have to get out there and make sure you're taking care of your garden as far as fertilizing, trimming any dead ends, any yellowing of the leaves. You have to make sure that you're paying attention to that. So, we're going to jump back into the watering thing and why maybe yours is not doing as well as someone else's in California that's in 8B, Florida 8B, Georgia. It's a list of Alabama. We have a lot of zone 8Bs across the United States. But if you have a good watering system, you probably can keep up with someone that's in Florida or any of the other states. But if not, you're dependent on Mother Nature, the rain. And I can tell you as a witness, you cannot rely on Mother Nature. We're going to go as of present day. We just had a tropical, actually a hurricane, and Hannah gave Florida some pretty good rain before it even made it to a hurricane. Georgia got rain, Louisiana got rain, even some of Texas got rain. But I'm in Central Texas, 8B, and we got like a spit. When I say a spit, less than 5 minutes of rain. And that's with being without rain for like 2.5, 3 weeks. We talking about the rain. So if your watering system is not good and you're not really getting a lot of rain, it can have an effect on your vegetables because that causes you to do a lot of water can watering. And depending on how large your garden space is, as well as how far you have to go to water your garden, it really plays a factor. So I always tell you, do not compare your zone 8B, 7A, 7B to another state that has the same zone as you. You have to look at all those other concepts as far as your watering system, how much are you going to fertilize in, how much can you water, so you're making sure that your garden have the best chance of life. So do not plant more than you can take care of. Know your watering system and do not rely on Mother Nature. Yes, we all want Mother Nature to help us out, even if you have a good watering system. But if you do not have a good watering system, you have to be careful on not to overplant, so you don't have to try to keep up with the watering. So that is one of the biggest things that changes things when you're in the same zone, as well as fertilizing and how much you're able to go out there and tend to your garden. If you have a full-time job, you work from sunup to sundown, you're trying to figure out how much time do I have to dedicate to my garden. So, and this, like I said, the size of your garden. All of those things make a factor. So if you're a new gardener, think about those things: the size of your garden, your watering system, and how much time you have to dedicate to for as fertilizing, de-weed, um, do any trimmings that need to be done, harvesting. So, same zone, different results. I hope you get that concept. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment. If you're a new person that came to visit my page, won't you hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and share this video. Don't forget to hit the bell for any notifications of any new videos I put out. And if you haven't had a chance to visit some of my other videos, go ahead and have a playlist. Thank you. Have a great day.